So a multi-agent system. Our approach leverages different frameworks for specific tasks. AG2 excels at facilitating natural, unstructured conversations between multiple agents, making it ideal for creative collaboration and content creation. Meanwhile, frameworks like ADK offer advantages for more structured workflows, creating a powerful hybrid solution that combines both the best of both worlds. Now, for those who don't know what ADK is actually a framework that came out like a month ago or a month or so, where it's a Google framework of building agents. And for me, having worked with AutoGen for quite some time, I found out that AutoGen in our workflows, in our use cases, are really, having agents able to discuss, have conversations, and think about, hey, here's this KPI, here's this company, here's the workspace, here's the key performance indicators, here's the objective key results that we need to achieve. And here's the files and the research that we have. How can we achieve those things? How can we achieve those things together, right? And so the agents would have this discussion, which then that leads to better results. So let's say if it's a lead qualification system, the ADK agent would talk to the customer, gather as much information, and then help them, start getting on their process of moving into a qualified lead that then a human can be able to interact with. Now, instead of just having that conversation happen and then we call, let's say, an external API to a CRM tool like Salesforce, what we do actually is take that transcript of that conversation, pass it to AG2 agents, and then have them have a discussion about, hey, what was this customer really trying to do? What are they trying to achieve? And how can we present the human who will then, later on follow up with this customer? How can we present that human with as much information about this customer as possible? So learn a little bit more about them from social media, from their online presence, so that when a human goes into talking to them to closing that deal, especially for high ticket customers, they have the most amount of information and they're the most knowledgeable about it. And once the AG2 workers have finished their analysis, their research, then they actually set up another task to create all that information into a CRM tool to then provide a human in the loop where the human can go in there and actually look at what that conversation was about and follow up with the customer. So that was a little bit about AG2 and more or less kind of the system architecture.